Hey everyone, it's me again, and today I am watching Andy Guitar's guitar lesson number 2. Without further ado, let's just go and learn some guitar. I'll put a link to this video actually in the description. Alright, as we are in my media room, listening to the TV, and let's play.
To the song Born in the USA by Bruce Springsteen. Super recognisable, super great, and to do this we need to learn the D chord,
I hope it's being tuned again.
The A chord and the D chord, and we also have a little easy melody, as I say. Let's get straight in for a close-up now on these two easy chords. So as a reminder, this is how to play the A chord from the previous lesson. We have our first finger up string 2. This is fret 1, this would be fret 2. And we place our middle finger above and our third finger below. An A chord can also be played like this, but I'm encouraging you to play it like this because the first chord we learned was the E, and we can go between the two chords like this. And then this chord that we're learning in this video, the new one in this 10-day course, is the D chord, which we play like this. So to play each one of these chords, we never actually have to lift off that first finger, and therefore it's a lot easier because the hard thing about these chords are the changes. When you're changing between the chord, the worst thing that can happen is you lift all your fingers off and you don't know where to put them. With one finger down, it tends to be a lot better. So we know this A major. If you don't, check out day 1 of this 10-day course. And we're going to learn now this new D major chord, where our first finger is in the same place, but we move it to this side. And the middle finger, or finger 2, goes second fret on the finished string, so like this. Notice straight away the fingers are on a little bit of an angle to get them as far to this side of the fret area, which is this area here, and as far this way as possible. And then our third finger goes here to make a triangle shape. The little finger doesn't need to be down, but we're just going to put that right next to the third finger like this. So recap between all those finger positions: finger 1, finger 2, and finger 3. And they're all on an angle pointing towards your strum and shoulder. The thumb can be a little bit higher with this chord, but we're not going to use it to mute any strings kind of like this just yet. But we can use it to mute the thickest one like this. The real thing we want to focus on with this D chord is getting the thinnest 4 strings to ring out. So this one we strum from string 4, which is the D string. Our thickest strings are E, A, and D, which are the 3 chords we've learned. This one's the D, so we strum from the D and play the thinner strings and press it like this.
I have a feeling that this guitar is not tuned properly, even though I did tune it yesterday.
To play
It's a
Born in
bother.
the USA, along with lots of other songs that use these 2 chords, we'll just need to change between the A and the D. When we're doing that, we need to keep this first finger down, because that's the advantage of playing this A. So we go back to this A chord, middle finger above, third finger below the string that our first finger is on. Keep that first finger down, lift the other 2 off, and play the D chord that we've just learned. 1, 2, 3, and strum. It's always a good idea to pick each individual string from string 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. And if they're not ringing out, we need to be more on the tips of our fingers and have them all at this side. And the D chord, we tend not to have to press on as hard, but you may, if you still are with good positioning, still getting this sound where things aren't ringing out, you just need to press down a little bit harder, but not too hard so that you're getting 2 big lines in your fingers. The small lines in your fingers like this are always unavoidable. So let's just practice this change between A and D a few more times, and then we're going to go for our second song in day 2 of this 10-day guitar course, Born in the USA. So here is our A chord again. We give it a strum. We keep the first finger down, middle finger below, third finger on the 3rd fret, so a little bit more of a stretch, which is where, not being straight with the frets, we want to be on an angle with our thumb just just creeping over the top. That makes this D chord a lot more comfortable. We keep the first finger down, we lift the other two off, and go above and below. First finger stays down, slide to the good side of the fret. Second finger, third finger, and strum from string 4. Back to the first finger, slide it back a touch, middle finger above and below.
Okay, I think we're gonna be right for today. I'm still gonna be practicing this. I'm gonna see if I can retune this guitar, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.